Hello my lovely friends, you're super welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulous channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you're super welcome. Right guys, check below, you see the subscribe button. Please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, so on today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you a hair removal method, actually waxing. So guys, you are gonna say bye bye to shaving bumps, bye bye to shaving rashes and all the discomforts that comes with shaving. Alright guys, without saying much, let's jump right into this video. You're gonna go ahead and mix all the ingredients together. Make sure you mix it very well to form a smooth paste. So guys, this mixture is too thick, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add the remaining of my milk and also my lemon to make it a little bit lighter. Guys, you're gonna go ahead and microwave or heat it on fire, whichever method is available to you. Alright guys, you can see how light it's looking now after microwaving. The combination of these 4 ingredients are perfect. It will not only remove hair from your skin, it will smooth and even out your skin. One of the best benefits of waxing is that your skin will feel smooth. No cuts or bruises, stumble-free skin, waxing unwanted hair completely from its root, irritation and allergies free, slow hair growth. Guys, what amazing benefits waxing have for us guys. So I tell you guys, go try this out and let me know in the comment section how it works for you. So you go ahead and wait for a couple of minutes until it's completely dried off. Ta-da! This is completely dried off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and peel it off slowly. Like I told you, this is a pain-free waxing, so you're just gonna go ahead and peel it off slowly in such a way that you will not feel any pain. So guys, this dye is also ideal for Brazilian waxing. After completely peeling this wax off, my skin is looking completely refreshed, and this is like a leather-like protective layer. Alright, my beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next